Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are delving into the transformative insights of How to Attract Money by Joseph Murphy. Join us as we uncover the secrets to manifesting wealth and abundance in our lives. Lesson 1: Harnessing the Power of the Subconscious Mind. Murphy reveals how our beliefs and thoughts shape our reality, and how we can reprogram our subconscious mind to attract wealth and abundance. By adopting empowering beliefs, using positive affirmations and visualization, and taking inspired action, we can attract unlimited prosperity into our lives. Lesson 2: Affirmations and Visualization Techniques. Murphy teaches us to use positive affirmations and vivid visualization to impress our subconscious mind with images of prosperity and success. By consistently practicing these techniques with our faith and conviction, we can accelerate our journey towards financial prosperity and fulfillment. Lesson 3: Overcoming Limiting Beliefs. Murphy shows us how to identify and release limiting beliefs about money and success, allowing us to open ourselves to new possibilities and opportunities. By identifying, challenging, and replacing limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs, readers can create a mindset that attracts wealth and prosperity into their lives. And 4. Embracing a prosperity mindset. Murphy emphasizes the importance of adopting a mindset of abundance and prosperity, believing that wealth is our natural birthright. In essence, embracing a prosperity mindset involves shifting our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes to align with the abundance prosperity we desire. Lesson 5: Cultivating Gratitude and Appreciation. Murphy teaches us to cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the wealth and abundance already present in our lives, attracting even more blessings into our experience. Cultivating gratitude and appreciation is a transformative practice that opens us up to the abundance of the universe and aligns us with the flow of prosperity and blessings. Lesson 6: Taking Inspired Action. Murphy emphasizes the importance of taking bold and inspired action towards our financial goals, trusting that universe will support us every step of the way. Inspired action involves aligning our thoughts, beliefs, actions with our financial goals, trusting in the process and remaining upon to the guidance of the universe as we navigate our journey towards success. 7. Aligning with universal laws. Murphy explores how principles such as the law of attraction and law of vibration govern the manifestation of wealth and abundance, teaching us to work in harmony with these laws. Aligning with universal laws involves harmonizing our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and actions. Principle of abundance and prosperity. In developing a wealth consciousness. Murphy guides us in cultivating a consciousness of abundance and prosperity, aligning our thoughts and beliefs. Frequency of wealth. Developing a wealth consciousness is about aligning one's thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the frequency of abundance. In letting go of fears and doubt. It shows us how to release fear and doubt about money and success, replacing them with faith, confidence, and trust in the infinite abundance of the universe. Letting go of fear and doubt is essential for attracting wealth and abundance into our lives. Lesson 10: Practicing Generosity and Giving. Murphy teaches us that true wealth comes from giving and sharing our blessings with others, fostering a cycle of abundance that enriches everyone involved. Habit 10 Powerful Principles from How to Attract Money by Joseph Murphy. By applying these insights, we can transform our relationship with money and manifest greater wealth and abundance in our lives. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, may you attract all the wealth and abundance you desire. Signing off, Maheshwari.